stop hair growth to get extra long hair, thick hair, shiny hair. Hello friends, I hope you have a happy day and full of happiness. Today I will share with you a new video, special and effective. We need this ingredient to make this recipe: 1 cup of carrot juice, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 'Now mix all the ingredients very well. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then massage your scalp with it. For best results, use this recipe twice a week. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.